At peak performance, your unique quilting machine gives you the power to create beautiful quilts with relative ease. To do this, the unique machine's various parts perform a complicated series of synchronized tasks with speed and precision. It is important to maintain the machine as you use it to keep it working smoothly. If you notice skipped, broken, or extra long stitches as you quilt, you may have a timing issue. However, all these symptoms are more often caused by other problems. Since timing the machine is complicated and could cause damage to the machine if done incorrectly, it is important to check these other potential causes before timing your machine. If the problem persists after checking for and correcting each of these potential problem areas, you may need to adjust the timing of the machine. The hook is the part of the assembly that catches the thread just as the needle pushes it through the fabric. The hook then pulls the thread around the bobbin and the bobbin thread. If this doesn't happen at just the right time, issues can arise. The goal of timing the machine is to ensure that when the hook meets the needle, it does so at the center of the needle scarf, or the notch at the back of the needle. Before attempting to time your machine, call Grace Company Technical Support at 1-800-264-0644. If you are timing the Qnique 15 or the Qnique 21, please see our instruction video for those machines. Take the following steps to adjust the timing of the Qnique 19. Turn off the machine. Turn the hand wheel to raise the needle to its highest position. Remove the bobbin case from the hook assembly. Remove the screws from the needle plate using the small screwdriver included with your machine. Remove the needle plate. On the left side of the machine, look into the timing cutout and turn the hand wheel. The hook assembly will rotate, revealing 3 set screws. As each set screw aligns with the cutout, loosen it with the 2mm Allen wrench. Take care not to loosen them too much or remove them. When all 3 set screws are loose, you can rotate the outside part of the hook assembly by hand. Rotate it so the hook is at the top. While holding the hook assembly in place, carefully rotate the hand wheel counterclockwise so the needle goes all the way down, then comes back up to rest centered with the hook. For correct timing, the needle must approach the hook from the bottom. If you turn it too far so that the needle reaches the top of its rotation, do not reverse direction but keep turning the wheel counterclockwise to bring the needle into the correct position. Slip the timing tool into the hook assembly with the flat side on the bottom. Turn the hand wheel clockwise to bring the needle back down until it rests on top of the timing tool. Position the tip of the hook in the center of the scarf at the back of the needle. This will be easier to see from the back of the machine. Tighten the set screw. Remove the timing tool. Turn the hand wheel a full rotation to ensure the needle does not hit the hook assembly at any point. Watch for bending in the needle and listen for any clicks or sounds indicating the needle might be hitting the hook. Tighten the 2 remaining set screws and reinstall the needle plate and bobbin case. At this point, it is a good idea to sew on some test fabric, listening carefully for any strange noises such as clicking to make sure the needle is not hitting the hook, and check to see that the machine is now stitching correctly.